I can't really convey the chaos in the time that we have. We didn't have a centralised accounting package. We ran multiple accounting packages for the group of companies. We had journals that didn't match from system to system. We had people trained in one system but not another.
The Bennie Group were using an older Sage 200 bespoke application to manage their shoe production. This older system wasn't easily upgradable and it was starting to lack in certain features and requirements.
And so when we started working with Paradise, it was very much around how do we bring that stuff together? You know, what is the right product for a centralised accounting system, a centralised ERP? Technically, we've got 9 trading businesses across the group. So we've got our manufacturing business, Ken Hall, which is where we make footwear. And then we've got our construction business, which is made up of Barton, Boughton Loam and Peter Bennie. And then we've got our equipment business, which is all of our haulage, all of our plant equipment, and of course all of our materials handling equipment as well in Bennie equipment. We've been trading for 90 years next year. We have lots of legacy stuff like that. You know, we just got away with doing it that way. And what we really need to do was transform and modernise.
Paradise is a MSP, managed service provider, providing mostly Sage ERP solutions to SME businesses around Northamptonshire.
So different companies need different solutions. There's not one size that fits all. You can start with the basic ERP system, and then you can have several different add-ons that will tailor it to match your exact requirements. And you can also have some bespoke software just to make sure it really fits what you need.
So Sage 200 is a mid-market ERP solution that will include things from accounting all the way through to full-on manufacturing, intercompany modules, barcoding, warehousing, whatever you might need.
So working with the team at Paradise has been great. One of the key things they helped us do was implement Sage 200 holistically across our group and coming up with a strategy to bring all of that stuff into one package so we could run our group companies from basically one place. But also work in our footwear business. So we've developed some bespoke web-based software that links very nicely into the Sage kind of sales order processing functionality.
Paradise's own development team put together a solution outside of Sage 200 to manage their sort of shoe production system.
That gives our bespoke shoe factory the ability to produce one-off shoes every single time and follow a very unique process around that no software in the UK is geared up to deliver. And since then, it's been about obviously doing upgrades through the business as usual kind of software lifecycle process, but also tweaking and modernising things, so adding in new Sicon packages.
Working with Sicon is one of the best things that we do for our Sage customers. It really means that we have a host of products that we can offer that will suit their business.
Well, we're classified by Sage as a tech partner plus. Essentially, we're a developer partner of Sage. So what that means for customers is we write add-ons that complement their Sage 200 finance solution. Sicon enhanced Sage to meet their needs through about 4 or 5 add-ons. One of those being construction, being able to capture the costs for their projects and the invoicing that's required for the industry. They're putting all of their data into Sage 200, and because we're working alongside that, actually it helps them get the reporting, be able to capture the information that they require. Types of clients we serve really vary. Some are vertical specific, so it could be in the construction sector, that could be house builders, could be subcontractors, right the way through to salespeople like myself and my team, where we're tracking expenses again through apps. So we service a really broad brush.
But also the small add-ons that Sicon provide have really helped refine and ensure we're not adding lots of headcount, adding lots of process. We're able to use the power of the software to run and enhance what our finance team do for the business. So since the implementation of Sage and Sicon products in our business, we've sped up our ability to produce accounts, reduced the number of people in our finance team despite growing our business. We have more accurate, more live information across the business now. And what we've really done is build a really rich data set. It's enabled us to use different parts of the package in completely different industries and have structured data in the right way that helps us make agile decisions going forward.
Yeah, I think I'd like people to know that Paradise Computing are, we're not just a supplier, and we truly want to strive to be a partner to our customers. We want to be seen as an extension to their business, providing services that are essential.